What's good, YouTube? We're back out here again. This is going to be the same day as the last video that you guys seen me get the wheels on. I basically just packed the Jeep full of all the wheels and tires and everything that I had. And now I'm going to just be waiting for tomorrow so I can go ahead and go about my day, show you guys how to install tires, and then possibly take you guys to a 970 meet. So yeah, we're gonna have a great time tomorrow. All right, so it's the next morning. I'm running a little bit late right now. I gotta head out to work. Once we get to work, probably later on in the day, I'm going to be able to throw the tires on. And then hopefully, I know you guys can see the weather. Hopefully it's not too bad later on, and there's gonna end up being a car meet for us. So I'll tap back in with you guys a little bit later once we get closer to the actual car meet, or me actually putting on the rim. So yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so I've been here working for a minute here at work. Did get one of the tires on the rim. I'm probably just going to set you guys up so that you guys can watch me install the tires on the rims. But as it is right now, it's not going too bad. The tires are actually stretching. I was kind of scared that they weren't going to stretch, but it looks like they're actually pretty good. So I'm gonna set you guys up and have you guys watch me put some tires on. Right, you guys, so this is our tire bay that we have right here. This is where I'm actually gonna be installing these tires. So I'm gonna try to run through them as quick as possible. I don't know if I have like a time-lapse mode. I'll probably just speed it up. Alright, y'all, so I was running into some issues beating this one and this one. I did end up getting two of them beaded. So I did have to cut the clip because I was going to be recording me basically fighting with the tire for the past 40 minutes. So yeah, once I get these tires on, I'll go ahead and get back with you guys so that you guys can see how they look, and then I'm going to put them on the car. And hopefully we should be heading to a meet tonight, so yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to pull my car in here in a second. I'm gonna run my wheels through the water barrel to make sure they're not leaking at all. As long as they're not leaking, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on the car. So I'm gonna have you guys just watch me check for bubbles, and then we'll put them wheels on. Looks like this one's good. Looks like we're good. All right, so since the tires were good, we're gonna go ahead, bring the car in, put the wheels on, and check fitment. And then hopefully we hit that meet later on tonight too, so. Man, this car won't stop squeaking. Y'all can probably hear me good even though I'm in the car. That's what happens when you get a good microphone. I'm sorry about the squeak, y'all. I really don't mean to do it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this car up on the lift and see what she's looking like with the red and gold. She's gonna be looking like Iron Man, no cap. All right, so we're back and we got the wheels in the car. I'm about to drop it down here in a second so we can actually see how it looks on the floor. But as it looks right now, this combo is gonna be hard. And I'm liking the fitment already too. It's looking like we have clearance on the inside. And then we have clearance on the inside of this side. It's really close though, if you guys can see. But yeah, I'm gonna drop it down right now and we're gonna see how it looks. I'm not gonna lie, this looks poppin'. This shit is valid. Now I just need some more low. Yes sir, I'm gonna go ahead and torque these wheels down and then we should be on our way to the car meet. All right, so we're done off the lift, fully torqued and ready. I'm about to pull the car out right now. It looks saucy though. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot my Benz was here. It's the hard park. These cars look so fucking sick together. I can't wait till I have my black Infiniti with these guys. So it's gonna be my Benz, my black Infiniti, and my red Infiniti. But yeah, I forgot this was here. It's here for a radiator hose right now. The hose is here. I just gotta do it. It's literally so easy. But I love the way that car is looking right now. Like, I just need to lower it and it's there. All right, y'all, so I'm about to be on my way. I think I'm gonna go get some gas, maybe a car wash. I'll show you guys what the car looks like after it's washed. And then from there, I'm gonna figure out if I either wanna go to that car meet, cause it is 40 minutes away from me, or if I wanna chill, you know, stay in tonight. I need to start making some more car friends out here, cause like I be feeling like lonely. But yeah, I think I might go to that car meet. We're gonna see. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the car wash, SAS, you know, gas station, whichever one. All right, y'all. So we already gassed up. We're currently getting washed. You guys don't roast me about going through the car wash at the gas station, okay, bro? Like, it really doesn't matter. The paint on this car is shot. Like, it's faded. It's swirled, it's whatever, so it really doesn't matter. But at least the car is gonna get clean. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how that looks once we're done. I still haven't figured out if I want to go to that car meet or not. I'm kind of stuck in my head here. But I know you guys would want me to go to the car meet. I just gotta figure out if I want me to go to the car meet. But anyways, I'm gonna tap in with you guys probably a little bit later here after we get out of the cyclone of death. All right, so we just got the wash. This is what she's looking like after the wash. She's looking nice and pretty, I'm not gonna lie, regardless of that little cheapy wash or whatnot. I do gotta clean up the wheels or whatever, but I mean, for what it is, she's looking good. All right, so from here, basically I'm going to start driving home. If on the way home, I decide that we go to the car meet, you're obviously gonna see some clips of me at the car meet. But if you guys do not see any clips after this, I'll probably end it off at the house. But yeah, I appreciate you guys if you have been watching this far. It really does mean a lot. I know, like, I barely got any people watching me, but I gotta get better at my content making, my speaking, my everything. So this is me actually trying to do the YouTube stuff, to try to be a content creator. I hope, you know, you guys don't bully me too bad, but that's what we're looking at. Try and get a thumbnail or whatever. But yeah, I'll tap in with y'all. All right, y'all, so we're pulling up to the meet right now. It looks like it's pretty popping. It's a little 7-Eleven meet, so hopefully I don't get bullied too bad for my little Infiniti. not gonna lie, there's a decent amount of cars right here. Try to go through and get as much video as I can of all the hard shit before my camera dies. Alright, it's pretty popping out right now. They have like a line of cars at the gas pump. Pretty sure you guys seen it in one of the last clips. But I don't really think there's much else to do. I'll walk around one more time and try to get like the last clips. But this is probably gonna be the end of our night. I'll probably tap back in with y'all once I get home, or trying to get y'all some more clips right now. But yeah.